In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use watchlists on the Selfwealth platform. A watchlist allows you to keep track of many different stocks from one convenient location. All stocks and ETFs on the Selfwealth platform can be added to a watchlist, including those listed on the US and Hong Kong exchange. To view your watchlists, click on Stock Watchlists under Research. As you can see, I've already got a few watchlists, but let's go ahead and create another one by clicking Create New Watchlist. Next, type in a name for your new watchlist and click Create. The watchlist should now appear at the bottom of the page. Click the arrow on the right to view your new watchlist. Right now, the new watchlist is blank, so let's add some stocks to it. There are two ways of adding stocks to a watchlist. The first way is to click Add a New Holding while viewing the watchlist. You can then type in the name or ticker code of the stock you would like to add. You can also add a custom note for the stock, although this is entirely optional. When you're ready, click Add to Watchlist. If you left a note, you can read it by hovering over this icon under Notes. The second way to add a stock to a watchlist is while viewing the stock analysis screen. Look up the stock you'd like to add using the stock search bar. Next to the buy and sell buttons, you will see Add to Watchlist. Click this button, select the watchlist you'd like to add it to, and click Add. Next, we will look at making changes to your watchlists. To remove a stock from your watchlist, click the menu icon to the right and then click Delete. To rename a watchlist, select the drop-down menu in the top right and then click Rename Watchlist. To delete a watchlist, using the same menu, click Delete Watchlist. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage watchlists using the Selfwealth platform. Selfwealth, grow you good thing.